Hi everyone and good morning. Thanks for joining me today. If you're watching on Facebook and you're live, you will see a red button in the left hand corner. If you're watching on YouTube, then please pop on and say hi, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Today I'm going to reveal our craft along packs. Super excited to do that. I am recording, aren't I? Yes, I am. Super excited to reveal these packs, and I haven't got my thing. Could somebody send me the link to my video, please? I don't know why it's not showing up for some reason. I am live, aren't I? Yes, I am. Oh, Anne, you've made it. I was just about to try and send you a link. Hi, Christine. I don't know if Cameron's there, but I can't see the video. So if someone could actually send me the link to my video, that would be absolutely great, and I'd be very appreciative. I don't know. There you go. Thanks, Cameron, honey. Oh, I do not know why. Why is it doing that? Right, here we go. Right, hi, Cameron. Hi, Anne. Hi, Christine. So today I'm going to reveal what's in your craft along packs. We've got quite a few of you now, not as many as I thought actually. I miscounted, but I've made lots of packs. So if you haven't took part yet, so my bracelet just come off. If you haven't took part yet, or you haven't signed up for it, then just please comment below or send me a private message. If you're on Facebook, it's Chanel Wise. So these are 20, it's a 20 project. Hi Angie darling, hi Kay. It's a 20 project craft along, and I spent all weekend making these packs up. I've done 25 packs. I think we've got about 13, 14 of you, so we do have 10 packs left. We've got Julie's taking part, Christine, Angie, Kay maybe, Karen, Anne. So we have a few of you here that are going to take part. So let me show you what's in your pack. So, first of all, let me get the right order. This is what we're going to call the project pack, and this has all of your bases for your 20 projects. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the first pack, and this has all of the projects. So you have 4 of each project. So you have 4 delicious postcards, and everyone's got the same amount of items. It's just that they might vary with the different postcards with different things, but you've all got the same amount of materials in your pack. So these are the postcards. So I know that you all have 2 of these sort of flowered ones and 2 of the more photographic ones. This is a cute one, isn't it? And these are the postcards. Now, when we do the craft along, I will have a pack, and I cannot use anything else other than glue. What I'm saying is you can use other bits and pieces from your craft room, but you have to use your pack. And I can show you that we can make 20 projects just with not having to use anything else in your craft room other than glue. And maybe a little bit of card. I think that was the only thing I forgot to put in. So we've got 4 postcards. We have 4 book page projects. So you've got like a corner pocket. These have all been sewn. I did these at the weekend. You've got a tag, a little pocket here, and then a big pocket here to decorate. You have got 4 playing cards. So you've got one of these big ones and these 2 here. This is like a craft card one, just a regular, just a nice decorative one on the back there. And then you've got a little diddy one and that one. And then we've got 4 project life cards. You've got 2 big and you've got 2 small in your pack. Okay, so those are the projects. So that's your 20. Am I right? Oh, and you've got paper clips. Sorry, this is the paperclip pack, which so that will make the 20 projects. So let me just open this up so you can see what I have done. So in here you will have, oops daisy, right, so in here you have got two little tea cards. So you will need some card just for the back of those. That's the only thing I didn't put in, is a little scrap bit of card, but I'm sure we've all got a bit of card laying around. Paper clips, that's it. And then you will have these cutouts. These are already cut out, and then you've got a front sort of cover for them as well, and then you've got your paper clips, and then we'll just decorate them up. So that's your paper clips. So that's the 20 projects then. So you've got paper clips, project life, book pages, playing cards, and postcards. There you go. So that's your 20 projects. So that's those and those. So that's your basis of your projects, your base things for your projects. Okay, you may as well pop them in there, because that way then I know that that's the projects. So that's your project pack. Then you have a delicious, scrumptious paper pack. And this is what you use for decorating. And let me just pull all this out. Okay, so we have one of these lovely, gorgeous floral pages. A lovely old, this is very old, book page. This is Shelley poetry. A map, you'll have a map page. This one is in German, but I love it. One of my lovely, gorgeous friends sent me a lovely old German book, and I just love the font on it. Then you've got a big floral page. I'm not getting your messages, so I do apologise if you are talking to me. Oh, thank you, Jane. Oh, bless. Right, okay, so we've also got Jane, Rebecca Winters taking part as well. Then this is a newspaper, I think it's 1940s, but it's just really cool to use. We've got another old book page, which has got some interesting images on. You have a music sheet page as well. So lots of, you know, sort of paper. You've got a coffee dyed piece, which is nice and crinkly and yummy. An old vintage ledger page, which is like double-sided. This is from about the 1960s. And then you will all have a napkin as well, which you have a whole napkin. So you've got like great big page of napkin. The napkins are different in each pack, not in each pack. Some of you have got some of you got the others. Right, so that's your paper pack there. I won't attempt to try and get that back in the pack now. We'll do that later. Then you have this little pack here, which this is your fabric and lace embellishment pack. And so you've got a little flower, you've got some lovely trim, some ribbon, some little butterflies and stars, a couple of pieces of lace. I think actually you've only got 2 pieces. There's an extra piece in that one for some reason. You'll have 2 pieces of lace. You've got a piece of fabric, another applique, gorgeous big flower, some fabric, and some nice big pieces of lace. So that's your fabric pack. As you can see, I had to sort all of these out individually. Oh, well, you're engrossed. Bless you. So you do only get, that's a spare piece. You get 2 bits of gorgeous yummy lace and the other big pieces as well. So that's your fabric pack. This is gorgeous as well, because you don't need an awful lot, because you use little bits on your projects. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. So anyone who wants to take part and hasn't already messaged me, just message me and I will give you the details. And we will be starting the first week of May. There's 5 videos in total, or we will cover the 5 different projects in each video to craft along with me. Right, okay, so let's just put those back in there. So that's your fabric pack. And then I have 2 embellishment packs, which I realised I had some bits I left out. So you've got 2 embellishment packs, which you all have a flower, a paper doll, a couple of these vellum pages. You have some little tiny bits of ephemera, some postage stamps. There's a lovely little dandelion on a bowl pin. I've put your spare bowl pin in, and then a couple of little bits that you can use, a little wordy bit. So that's the first. It's got a big hair there. Big. That's your first ephemera pack. Let's get those in there. I had to, what took me the time doing these packs was I had to figure out how much stuff you would need to, you know, complete 20 projects. So it did take a little bit of thinking about. Right, there you go. Pop that in there. And then you have another little pack here that has got a few extra bits in here. So this has got 2 of my clusters that I made especially for you. I sat there last night making these lovely clusters, and these are just gorgeous to decorate your projects with. There's a piece of this lovely old paper just that you can rip up. You've got a vintage sticker there, and then a couple of other stickers in there, and a little bit of bling. So those are the packs. It is £15 with free postage, as long as you're in the UK, that is. And that is it. That is the pack. So as you can see, I have been awfully busy making these up. But there are lots and lots of goodies in here, and we're going to have lots and lots of fun making these, I'm sure. So yes, if you're interested in taking part, then just send me a message and I'll give you all the details. But we're hoping to start the first week of May. So anyone who has paid, your packs will be going out this week. And those of you who are my customers, they'll probably go out with the catalogues as well. So yes, lots of fun to be had. I will hopefully be back in a bit. Not 100% sure yet what time, but I will try and get back later on today. But I will put it up on the group when I will be around, and we'll do a tutorial. We'll get down to some fun this morning. Now I've cleared away all of my vintage things and had a big old sort out. Oh, bless you. Karen says, I can't wait to learn new things. Well, a lot of you are just now getting into the vintage things. It's a little bit of a difference from my normal Stampin' Up, but it's something that I absolutely love to do. So I'm really pleased to share it with you. So if you are watching on Facebook, then comment below or send me a private message. If you're watching on YouTube, just leave a comment below. My email will be in the description and details how you can join in. I think that's it. So these are the project packs. I will be getting them out this week. Hope you all like what you've seen, and can see that a lot of hard work's gone into these packs, but I can't wait. We have quite a few of you taking part, so it'll be fun. Oh, bless. Anne saying she's a first timer. Oh, no, I've lost my video. Oh, no, what have I done? Oh, no, I lost it. Right, let me just do it again. There you go. Right. It's all right. I flipping pressed the thing, didn't I? Oh, bless you. Right, my lovelies, I'm going to go now. I will see you all later on, and we will do a, not sure yet what we're going to do. Look at these lovely clusters. I will do a video to show you how to make these gorgeous clusters to go on your projects. And these are just super gorgeous to just put on and decorate things, you know, really cute. I'm a complete novice. Oh, bless you. Well, I am having a lot of fun teaching you guys. I really, really am. It is just, I love it. I love it, love it. Love it when you all get engrossed. Like Lynn, she did not want to really do the vintage. She was like, no, no, no. And now she can't get enough of it. Yes, oh my God, I've just realised I've got my flipping books to finish. I ain't even, haven't finished my books yet. Oh, I've got lots to do. Right, my lovelies, I will see you all later on. Can't wait to receive my pack. Oh, bless you. Oh, I can't wait for you to all join in as well. So, see you all soon. Take care for now. Love you guys. Bye.